Did you know that one simple herb could naturally detox your body and help you fight off illness? But that's not even the craziest part. There's a wild secret about cilantro that most people don't know. Stay with me because you won't want to miss the surprise at the end. Cilantro is more than just a garnish. It's a nutrient powerhouse. It is packed with vitamins A, C, and K. This little green herb helps with many functions in the body. It detoxifies heavy metals from your body, boosts your immune system, reduces inflammation, supports digestion and gut health. Trust me, the most shocking cilantro fact is coming up. But first, let's see how to use it. Cilantro isn't just for salsa. Here are some delicious ways to use it. Toss fresh cilantro in tacos, soups, or salads for a bold, zesty flavor. Blend it into rice, dressings, or even smoothies. Tip: always add cilantro at the end of cooking. Heat destroys its fresh taste. What is your favorite way to use cilantro? Let me know in the comments. But wait, if you've ever thought cilantro tastes like soap, there's a wild reason behind it. Stay tuned. Grow cilantro at home. Want fresh cilantro year-round? It is easier than you think. Plant cilantro seeds in loose, well-drained soil. Keep it in partial sun and water regularly. Snip the leaves as needed, but don't pull the whole plant. Let some plants go to seed to grow more cilantro naturally. Okay, we are getting close to the big reveal. Stick with me, because you'll never look at cilantro the same way again. How to buy and store cilantro. When buying cilantro at the store, look for bright green leaves with no yellowing, a fresh, crisp scent. Rub a couple of leaves between your fingers. It should have a fresh scent of cilantro. This little trick is one quick way to recognize cilantro from other similar plants like parsley. Be sure the plant is not wilted or soggy. All right, are you ready for the crazy fact about cilantro? The shocking truth? Cilantro tastes like soap to some people. It is all because of genetics. Some people have a gene that makes them highly sensitive to aldehydes, a compound found in cilantro and soap. This means they can't enjoy its fresh, citrusy flavor like the rest of us. Mind-blowing, right? So if cilantro tastes weird to you, now you know why. Do you love or hate cilantro? Tell me in the comments. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button for more fun food facts and kitchen tips. Want more food tips? Check out my other videos. Bye for now. See you in the next video.